What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Prelude. So in 2 weeks I got an appointment set to get the car manual swapped. I know, it's crazy, huh? So I got a box that just came in today with a few of the parts that I'm gonna need in order to get the swap done. First things first, we got ARP flywheel bolts. These are more important for getting the flywheel onto the engine. We have clutch, master, slave, and braided stainless steel line. That's going to be important for getting the clutch to engage. We have the transmission you guys saw in the last video clip. We have all the parts mechanically to get it done. Last thing I'm waiting on is the rear main seal. Once we have all that, I've already contacted the guy that's going to be doing the work for me. Hopefully he's going to let me do a little bit of content over there when you see him. From what I've seen, he's got a cool shop, a lot of toys. He's a big Honda guy up here. It's going to be great. It's going to be awesome. So stay tuned for more. It's a beautiful day outside. It's one of the first and warmest ones in the last 6 months. It's almost 70 degrees out here. And because we got this weather, I thought I'd take a little crack at one of the things that I brought back from South Carolina. And I try to start sanding down and prepping these SH side skirts to get put on the car. So before we put them on the car, of course, they need to be painted silver. I have the paint, and I ordered a couple other goodies. I'm waiting for them to get here before I can announce them to you. But right now, we're just gonna go over it with some sandpaper I bought on Amazon. We got ourselves some 80 grit all the way to 2000 grit, make it nice and smooth. And then we're gonna wait. Maybe tomorrow I paint it. We'll see. While I was out here, I thought I'd take a second to take a look at one thing I've been meaning to touch up while I'm underneath the hood here, and it's this rust right here. I'm gonna take a look. That rust needs to be tended to before it becomes a problem. So what I'm gonna do is I got me my Dremel here, and I'm gonna put on my wire wheel attachment, and then I'm gonna spray it down with some rust reformer, and I think I'll call it a day there because it's nice outside and I wanna relax a little bit. So let's get to it. Pretty simple stuff. We got the wire wheel rolling. We're just gonna get the crustiness off of it. Now that we touched up the spot with the wire wheel and took these bolts off, I'm gonna try and tape up as much of these lines as possible. Maybe get a couple of pieces of newspaper to block off that side back there. And then I'm going to get spraying with the reformer. Okay, so I sprayed the rust reformer, got it set back. Let's just take a second to admire how the engine bay is coming together. I know I still gotta do some engine degreasing here. I'm gonna wait until the car is running one day so I don't short anything out. But yeah, I touched up this side as well just because I saw a little bit of formation. Nothing crazy. But this is it for now. Hopefully next video you see me starting to lay down primer on the side skirts. I'll probably try and get the stock ones off of the car. Or you know what? I'll probably wait until some big news coming up. But in the meantime, like, comment, subscribe. We're on our way to 200 subs. If y'all could share this around with your friends, get them to follow, I'd be very appreciative. Till then, catch you guys next time. Peace. What's going on, y'all? Thank you guys for watching this episode in season 2 of the vlogs. Before you get gone, we got new merch on our Amazon shop. We have hoodies, we got t-shirts, we got everything you can think of on there. Go and take a look at it. Links down below. We also dropping music constantly. And when you see it, it's also going to be on the channel. You can also see it on Spotify, Apple Music, everywhere you think of. Anything with DSPs, bro. And thank you for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.
You just had a word, kid, do not disturb, won't talk to your friends. Whenever I enter your city, you would've thought I was at home. Drop the Addy, I send you the keys, got me as the screen in your phone. I don't got time for the back and forth, look, girl, I got money to make. By the time I'm finished here, they gon' mortalize me in my city like Tay. Call me when you see me.